Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up your booking status setup settings on the web app. When making a booking in the diary, you are able to choose from a list of different booking statuses. To configure these booking statuses, it needs to be set up in the settings. To access the settings from the diary screen, click on the Settings button in the top right corner. Click on the Diary Settings tab. Take note that the diary settings are set per diary to customize the program to the specific needs of the user. Click on the Booking Status Setup panel to expand it. By default, there will be preloaded booking statuses where you can add and remove statuses that are custom to your practice. The name column is the booking status's name that will be displayed on the booking. The color column is the color that will highlight the booking in the diary when choosing this booking status. To change the color, click on the color field and a color pop-up box will appear, where you will be able to choose a custom color. The font color column, you can leave the default font color on black or change it to the preferred color of the doctor/practice. To change the font color, click on the font color field and a color pop-up box will appear, where you'll be able to choose a custom font color. In the visibility column, you can choose between two options, yes or no. Choosing yes, you will be able to see the booking on the diary. Choosing no, you will not be able to see the booking on the diary. The next status column is the status that should follow right after the current status when the current status is escalated. If you want to delete a booking status line, click on the red Delete button. An attention pop-up will appear with a confirmation message asking you if you are sure you want to delete/disable this status. Click on OK to confirm or Cancel to close. The booking status is now disabled and not permanently deleted. If you want to re-enable a booking status line after it was deleted/disabled, click on the green Re-enable button. An attention pop-up will appear with a confirmation message asking if you are sure you want to re-enable/activate the status again. Click on OK to confirm or Cancel to close. To add a new status, click on the Add a New Status button. Capture the details of the new booking status and choose the preferred options per column. Take note that the order in which the booking statuses are in will be the sequence of the patient flow in your practice. For example, the first status will be the patient that has been booked. Next, they will arrive at the practice, are ready for the doctor, they have been treated by the doctor, and the booking is done. To change the order/sequence, simply click and hold onto the booking status you wish to move and drag and drop to the order you want it to be in. Take note that the following two drop-downs will only be available if you have enabled the waiting time calculation ignore early arrival time setting under the Diary Settings panel in the Diary Settings tab. Underneath, at the Arrived Status drop-down, select a booking status that will indicate that a patient has physically arrived at the practice. From the Final Status to Calculate Wait Time drop-down, select a booking status that will be the final and last status of a patient's booking. From these two statuses, a waiting time will be calculated. The time it took to advance from the one stage, selected Arrived Status, to the other stage, selected Final Status. Click on the Save button to save the new settings, or click on the Close button to exit the settings screen without saving.